family. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with this remote job, work from home, work from anywhere. Yes, 100% remote. Yes. If you believe in making money online through jobs, online jobs, home, work from home jobs, this video is for you. Okay, so let's get started and see what they have on this Simply Hired. Just write remote and filter the job they have today, 24 hours. Okay, so they have this logistics specialist support, which will involve in data entry, road tracking, update, and so many more. Yes, this is a job description. They only need people in these states. This is very important. You have to understand they only need people in that different states. But guys, I'm not gonna spend time on this because most of the time we do focus on work from anywhere. So I'm gonna find another one which doesn't have restriction. Let's see this one, payroll benefit specialist. This is the benefits: health insurance, dental, 401k, paid time off, vision insurance, opportunity for advancement, flexible schedule, and so many more. This job was posted 12 hours ago, and here there is qualification. They need benefits, administration, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, high school diploma. There is no degree here. Accountant, QuickBooks, paycheck, Payroll, data entry, 1 year of experience, communication skills, and time management. The title is Payroll and Benefits Specialist. Is 100% remote. Okay, let's see another one they have today: remote healthcare support, Austin. So it means this job is located in Austin, Texas. Okay, they have posted this job 12 hours ago. And as you can see, this is the qualification: bilingual, which means Spanish and English, data entry, and also they need experience under 1 year. This is data entry. You have to be ready to work on data. Okay, so moving on the next job, which involves data entry, they have this nail executive education data entry analyst. Yes, this is the job, and here there is qualification. It was posted 13 hours ago, and this is the paid job payment, $19 to $21 per hour. They have this qualification: Salesforce, high school diploma, under 1 year, typing, quality control, data entry, organization skills. Only that, guys, there is no many years of experience required. Yes, and there is no degree, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next job they have today. They have this client service specialist, police processing. If you click here, and you can see this job was posted 21 hours ago, and this is their payment, and this is the qualification. There is no degree required here. They need Microsoft Word, benefits administration, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, Medcare, Microsoft Office, data entry. Okay, so this is what they need, and only 1 year of experience. Okay, it's gonna be full-time, Monday to Friday. Okay, we have another one. This one, customer service specialist. Yes, this job is located in Arizona, and it's part-time, and they have these benefits. Okay, they have paid training. They will train you, 401k, tuition reimbursement, paid time off. They have match, 401k matching, employee stock ownership plan, and so many more. This is the qualification: Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, yes, Microsoft Access, customer service. Yes, you will need high degree diploma at least. Yes, you have to be ready to work on data entry, organization skills, typing is involved, communication skills, and negotiation as well. They have this one as well: Document specialist remote, Houston, Texas. Okay, this job is you're gonna get money 300 a day. Okay, this is the benefits: health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, the qualification: Microsoft Word, Excel, Office, 3 years of experience. You're gonna be ready to type, communication skills, administrative experience, time management, and GIS. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, they have this one, GR document specialist. This is remote as well. They have all this qualification. I believe it's similar to other ones, so I'm not gonna pass through. Again, you're gonna get money up to 300 a day. So let's see. This is patient ambassador from this company as well. 24 hours ago, full time. You're gonna be paid up to $23 per hour. Okay, here there is qualification. You're gonna be ready to work in data entry. Okay, medical office experience, Microsoft Office. Okay, yes. Okay, here there is the requirement as well: 2 years of experience. Be ready to do that. Go back and filter again. Let's see this bookkeeper. It's remote. The job is from this company. Okay, the company is located in Florida. H. Cray Parker ESQ bookkeeper. It's gonna be remote. The benefits: flexible schedule. Yes, the qualification: 10 key typing. You're gonna be ready to work to type. 1 year experience, bookkeeping, time management, data entry, Microsoft Office, accounting software. Alright, for degree required to this job. Okay, it's only 1 year of experience, which I believe everyone has. Okay, they say it's required. Yeah, I think this is the easiest job that I can see here today. Go ahead and apply to this bookkeeper. Alright, so let's move on to the next job. They have administrative and data coordinator. Okay, I believe it's gonna be simple one. This job was posted 2 hours ago. Okay, let's see the qualification. Here there is qualification: bachelor degree is required, administrative experience is required, 5 years experience. Wow. So guys, if you feel like you have this 5 years experience and you can be ready to work in this on as administrative and data coordinator, go ahead and apply. The company is Virginia Commonwealth University. Moving on the next one, promotions assistance. This is a part-time job, and this is their pay in a year, which is pretty much raw compared to the payment of the US. So it means you can apply to this one even if you want like a part-time job or you are in outside the US. Yes, Microsoft PowerPoint, high school diploma, driving license, forward. No experience needed. Wow. Social media management skills is required. So for those who are looking for worldwide jobs, there is this job: remote QA engineer, European time zone. You can work anywhere in the world. This is the responsibility. Okay, what they offer: 100% remote. So, your responsibility: perform manual testing or software product to identify and report an issue or bugs. Utilize automated testing tools like Cypress, Selenium to streamline. Only 800 applicants have applied. This job was posted yesterday, July 3rd. Yes, guys, this is the job that I had for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope to see you soon. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Have a great time. Bye bye.